Hello everyone, this is Steve. Thank you for joining me for another video. Here we have three problems, three equations with x up in the power. And we're going to try to solve for x, even though we cannot make the basis match. So each one of these problems has something that we need to do before we take the logarithm of both sides. So let's get started. This first problem here, I cannot take the natural logarithm, the ln of both sides, until I divide both sides by 20. So I will start by dividing both sides by 20. And you can use your calculator if you want. You can see that that right-hand side actually just simplifies to 9/10. So then, once we have e to the x equals 9/10, because our base is e, it is best to take a natural log of both sides. So I will do the ln of both sides like this. And the natural log of e to the x just simplifies down to x because of inverse properties. And we have x equals the natural log of 0.9. That needs to be plugged into a calculator. So if you plug that into a calculator, you will get your decimal approximation for x, which is approximately equal to negative 0.1054. Okay, next problem. We have quite a bit to do before we take a logarithm of both sides, so I'm going to start by adding 7 to both sides. And then, before I take the logarithm of both sides, I'm going to divide both sides by 13. Trying to isolate the base and the power. 143 divided by 13 is actually 11. Now, it doesn't matter if we do the common logarithm or the natural logarithm because our base is already 0.3, so it doesn't matter which one you do. So I'll do a log on this one, log base 10. So we do a log base 10 on both sides. That allows us to bring the x down in front using the power rule. And the only thing that's keeping x from being by itself is that log of 0.3 or that log of 3/10. So we divide both sides by the log of 3/10, the log of 0.3, however you want to say it. And then we're ready to go to calculator. Don't try to do any weird simplifying like canceling logarithms. You can't do that. You plug this into your calculator, and we're going to get another negative answer here, and our decimal approximation is going to be negative 1.9917. Okay, let's do the last one up here. So we got to isolate the 1.5 to the x, so we'll do this in 2 steps. I'll add 25 to both sides. Then I'll divide both sides by 22. Divided by 22 is actually going to be 2.5 or 2.5. Then we take either the log or the ln of both sides. I'll do the ln this time. So we got the ln 1.5 of the x equals the ln of 2.5. Bring down the x in front. You know, I'm running parentheses on some of these and on other ones. Actually, it doesn't really matter. So this side could have parentheses too if it makes you feel better. Then you divide both sides. And then don't try to do any weird simplifying, just plug that into your calculator as is. And this should give us x is approximately equal to 2.2599. Okay, everyone, that's solving for x's when we can't make the basis match. I hope that helped. Thanks for watching.